I have attempted to meal prep for several years now, but each time it seems like I'm only successful with it for a couple of days and then I give up entirely. I get really sick of eating the same thing over and over again, and traditional meal prepping just takes way too much time between the meal planning, grocery shopping, unloading all the groceries, and then still having to cook for several hours. I've come up with a much easier and practical alternative to this problem: freezer meal kits. If you're new here, I'm on a journey to up-level my life one small habit at a time. I recently posted a video laying out my goals for the last quarter of 2025, and in this video I want to show you how I'm actually implementing the goals I talked about. Today we will focus on the meal prepping and money-saving goals, but if you'd like to follow along for the rest of my journey, please consider hitting subscribe. Now let's get back to our meal prep. Here's how it works. You pick 3 to 4 veggies and 1 to 2 proteins that you like. The goal is to create a few mix and match combinations using these ingredients to create different meals. For me, that's red bell peppers, zucchini, mushrooms and jalapenos, plus tofu or a meat alternative per my protein. The bell peppers, zucchini, and mushrooms are versatile because they're staple veggies used in a lot of different types of cuisine, and you can combine them in multiple ways to create different dishes. I'll share a couple of examples in a few minutes. Once you have your list, you can head to the grocery store. Here's the key step. As soon as you get home, start chopping everything. Instead of spending time putting groceries away and then forgetting about that one zucchini in the back of your crisper drawer, make efficient use of your time and get all the chopping done right away. Then grab some freezer bags and start building your meal kits. Combine all the chopped veggies together, then divide them evenly into the bags. You can toss in your proteins now or keep them separate, totally up to you. If you want to go the extra mile, add in spices or a quick marinade. One of my favorite ways to use this meal kit is for Thai curry or really any other similar curry that uses a pre-made spice blend and coconut milk. When it's time to make dinner, I grab a kit out of the freezer, heat up a pan and add in some curry paste and coconut milk, and throw in the veggies and dinner's ready in 15 minutes. Another option is to roast all the veggies with some olive oil and seasonings, wrap it up into a tortilla with some hummus for a nice veggie wrap. Or make a veggie grain bowl by serving the roasted veggies over a bed of quinoa or rice. The possibilities are endless. That's the beauty of this system. It's easily scalable to fit your schedule. Unlike traditional meal prep that feels like an all or nothing game, this system rewards any level of effort because it spreads out the work over time rather than requiring everything to be taken care of in one day. Just by pre-chopping your ingredients and combining them into a ready-to-make kit, you're doing 80% of the work of meal planning and prepping ahead of time. The actual cooking only takes 10 to 15 minutes. The key here is we've separated the ingredient prep, such as washing and chopping produce, from the actual cooking. By the way, you can also skip the freezer entirely. Your bag of chopped veggies and proteins can easily last a few days in the fridge if you don't want to deal with thawing. I hope you found these tips helpful for your next meal prep. Please let me know in the comments below if you think you'll give this method a try and what you plan on making. And stay tuned for some more winter arc themed videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day!